What's up, Wealth Society viewers? This is Ben the Tycoon. Welcome back to the channel where we unlock the secrets to building wealth and designing the life you deserve. Today, we're diving into the top 5 passive income streams you need to start in 2025. And trust me, these are the real deal. Not those click one link and get rich overnight scams. These are smart, sustainable income streams that anyone can start, even if you're starting from zero. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's unlock some wealth. Coming in hot at number 1, digital products. This includes ebooks, online courses, printables, stock photos, you name it. You create it once and sell it over and over with zero inventory. The best part? Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it easier than ever to launch. Let's say you're great at budgeting. Turn your method into a budgeting spreadsheet and sell it for $10. Sell it 500 times? That's $5,000 from one product. In 2025, people want instant solutions. If you can package your knowledge in a way that helps, you've got yourself a passive gold mine. Next up, affiliate marketing. You don't even need to sell your own product. Just recommend someone else's and get paid a commission every time someone buys through your link. How to start? Create content around a niche you love, like tech, fashion, finance, and drop affiliate links in your description or blog. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket or recurring affiliate programs, like software, online services, or courses, to make real money. Number 3, dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for owning the stock. Imagine getting paid quarterly just for investing smart. In 2025, more companies are increasing dividends, especially in tech and energy sectors. Apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Public make it simple to get started, even with $50. This is true money working for you energy. Coming in at number 4, automated dropshipping or print on demand. This is perfect for people who want an e-commerce business without touching a single product. With platforms like Shopify and Printful, you can create a custom merch store. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, all printed and shipped automatically when someone orders. Pro tip: tie this to a personal brand or trending niche for better sales, like pets, fitness, or affirmations. You handle the marketing, they handle the rest. That's real passive flow. And number 5, licensing your content. Got original music, video clips, logos, photos? Upload them to stock libraries and earn royalties every time someone uses them. Platforms like Epidemic Sound, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock are always looking for new content. If you're creative, this is the move. Set it and forget it. One beat or video clip could make you money for years. Let's recap the top 5 passive income streams for 2025. Digital products, affiliate marketing, dividend stocks, automated drop shipping, print-on-demand licensing content. None of these are get rich quick. But if you take action, stay consistent, and think long-term, any one of these could change your life. You don't need to do all 5, just pick one, start learning, and go all in. Which one are you going to start first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want a deeper dive into building digital income streams, check out my free guide linked below. It's packed with tools, websites, and strategies to get you going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We're dropping wealth content weekly here on Wealth Society Unlocked. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Let's unlock it together. I'm Ben the Tycoon, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay wealthy. Stay unlocked.